Hey, I'm Justin Jones, one of the owners here at Etrtruckcenter in McDonough, Georgia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove an isolator bushing from a stick. This can be a tough job. I'm going to show you how I do it and how I've had success with this. These are the tools used. Just a regular air blower, a 25-piece screw extractor set from Snap-on, just a long screwdriver, a 1-inch gear wrench, and the specialty tool of this is going to be this Snap-on, if you can see it here, PHG65A. This little thing right here is a lifesaver. So let's see how all this works. First, we're going to start with a screw extractor and a 1-inch wrench. Kind of hit it down in there. You're breaking the collar loose from the rubber bushing, pulling up and twisting loose at the same time. To remove the collar, put that to the side. Get your screwdriver, remove what's left of this bushing down in here. Get that out of the way. We're going to use our air blower to blow out the dust and everything in this hole. Now the fun part, our air hammer with our special bit here. And when we cut this, we're going to be cutting right down beside this hole. There's, a hole that runs all the way through. First, we're going to push the outer edge of this inner piece in just like that. And we're going to go beside the hole and go straight down. You got to make sure that you cut the bottom of this in half, of this center collar. Now on the thick side of this collar, you want to push it to the inside. And then kind of work your chisel up and out. And that's that. We're going to take our new bushing. I like to add a little bit of oil around it. Put a little bit of oil on the inside. Line your hole up. And drive it down. Drive it down just like that, and you're ready to install that to your tower. This stick bushing is made by Gaff. I guess it's a Merritor stick bushing. The number for that is an 11611. It's already got the hole pre-drilled in it. It's a great bushing. I like it. But that's it. I want to thank y'all for watching this video on how to install an isolator bushing. If you'd like to get into depth on this FRO 16210C, you can click the link below and download a full series on how to rebuild an FRO 16210C from start to finish. Thank you for watching.